Hello everyone, welcome back to Oud Vietnam channel. I'm Zahra from Oud Vietnam company and I'm so excited to show you guys one of our high quality products from agarwood, Oud Powder. And at Oud Vietnam, we take pride in manufacturing and supplying the highest quality of agarwood powder. In this video, we will show some unique features that set our Oud Powder apart. At Oud Vietnam company, we prioritize our customers' health, and this agarwood powder is completely safe to use. This one is made of the oud chips with a 30-year-old oud cheese that cultivated in our oud farms. And unlike many other commercial options, and our powder is free of toxic chemicals and artificial colors, ensuring a truly natural and authentic experience. We aim to bring the highest quality products to our customer without compromising their health. Currently, Oud Vietnam offers 3 types of agarwood powder with a variety of price points to suit different customers' needs. Each type has the special natural scent of agarwood, a sweet, warm, and pleasant fragrance that captures the essence of tranquility. Oud Powder is more than just a delightful fragrance, it's a holistic experience. When burned, the scent has the power to reduce stress and create a warm atmosphere. Whether you're in your car, room, house, office, or spa, our powder is a perfect companion for relaxation. It produces the most aromatic smoke, promoting well-being and enhancing the quality of your surroundings. Oud Vietnam is a leading company in Vietnam in production and distribution of agarwood. With nearly 10 years of experience and a commitment to quality, we have established our position in the international market, especially in Gulf countries. And now, if you're wondering where to find the best quality and authentic agarwood products, look no further than Oud Vietnam. We're offering a wide range of agarwood products, ensuring the authenticity with the best quality and the quality certifications such as ISO 901:2015 and quality testing reports. And for more details, please check out our Instagram account Oud Vietnam or our website oudvietnam.com for inquiries and purchases. Feel free to contact us via WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So, see you in next video. Goodbye.